Hi viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Geeklog on Linux Mint 18.3. Geeklog is an open source content management system which is used for creating and manage dynamic web content, and then it can be used either as web blog, CMS or web portal, and it's written in PHP and supports MySQL database. Okay, now let us see how to install Geeklog on Linux Mint 18.3. Here before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, first of all we have to download the Geeklog package using by wget command. The download is going on. The download is complete now. Now we have to create one new directory named Geeklog. Then we have to extract this download file. Then we have to restore this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the Geeklog directory. Then we have to move the Geeklog directory into the /var/ww/customl directory using by move command. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Geeklog CMS. So go to site available location. Here we have to create geeklog.conf file using by Vim editor. Now change insert mode. Now here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the geeklog.conf file. Then we have to enable the read-write module. Then after enabling, we have to enter to the host file. Now change insert mode. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache web server. Then after restarting our Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Here we can see Geeklog installation. Now first of all we have to click install script. Then here we can see choose your installation method. Now we have to click new install. Now here we can see site details. So we have to fill the site details. Then here we can see database setting. Here already I have created database and database user. So we have to fill the database detail. First of all select our database type. Then we have to give database host name. Then we have to give database name. Then database username. Then password. Then after filling the details, scroll down. Now we have to click install. The installation is complete now. Then now here we can see default username and password. Then now we have to give username and password. Then now we have to click login. Then finally here we can see admin page of Geeklog CMS. Then if you want change your admin password, click here. Then give your new password. then give current password. Then finally we have to click save information. Thus we have seen how to install Geeklog CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.